Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Threads app login error. A lot of people face that problem, they don't know what to do, and here is how you can fix that problem. There are too many solutions. One of them is to go to your settings, and then I just want you to scroll down until you can see apps option, sorry, and then tap on it. All right. Okay. Then I want you to choose or to tap on the second one that appeared to me, manage apps. All right. So here, that's just tap on search the apps on the top of your phone, and then just go through Threads. Type Threads. Okay. Once you are here, you just gonna go into clear all data, and then click no, not clear all, yeah, clear all data. Here you will find two options because I just cleared the data. You will find two options. One of them is clear cache. Okay, and then tap on clear cache and you are done. So if the problem is still going, you just need to go into your Play Store or App Store, and then go to Threads, and look if there are any updates or any new updates, and update your app. And also, if that's still happen to you, I want you to go and try to log in with another account. And also, if that still happen to you, I just want you to change your connection or network, change it to the mobile data, for example. If that's not working, also you can go to the airplane mode and also go back to your to using your Wi-Fi. Alright, if any of that doesn't work, you just need to go to the support and type for them the problem that you faced on their application, and wait for the response, and I hope that problem will be solved for you guys. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.